I change the languages on my devices to my target languages. If you're studying multiple languages and you have multiple devices, then you can change each device to a different language, or if you can change the apps or the languages in your apps to different languages. I narrate my life in my target language. So for example, if I'm making a cup of tea, I will say each of the steps in my target language. I listen to music, I learn the lyrics, and I also sing along. This will help to practice your pronunciation, and in the case of studying French, it helps me to pronounce the words in the contracted way that native speakers do. I write in my target language. I like to journal, so I do journal entries in French. I also make notes in French. If I have things to do, if I'm making a to-do list, or if there are just any little notes I need to write, I will do that in French. I follow social media accounts of persons who speak my target language, and I also read online forums